Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating automation on Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along with us. Start by navigating to the Automations section in your dashboard. This is where you can manage and create automated workflows to enhance your marketing efforts. Look for the option labeled Create Automation and click on it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to select an editor for your automation. This could be a visual workflow builder or a simplified editor, depending on the platform's features. Choose the one you feel most comfortable using. Give your automation a descriptive name. This name should reflect the purpose of the automation, making it easier for you to identify it later. After naming your automation, click the Create Automation button to proceed to the next step. Choose an entry point for your automation. This defines how contacts will enter the automation, such as through a sign-up form, a specific trigger event, or a segment of your audience. Next, add a condition to your automation. Conditions help you tailor the flow based on specific criteria, such as user behavior or demographics. For example, you might want to send different emails depending on whether a subscriber clicked a link in a previous message. Complete any other mandatory fields that may be required to finalize your automation settings. Ensure all essential information is filled out correctly. Once you have configured all necessary options, click the Activate Automation button. This will enable your automation to start running. And that's it. Your automation is now ready. You can monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize your marketing efforts. Enjoy automating your workflows and enhancing your engagement with your audience. I hope you found this helpful. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.